Red Santa suits cover Scheveningen beach as hundreds of surfers gather along the sand. On December 20, 2025, participants dressed head-to-toe as Santa Claus prepare their boards and line up for a winter challenge. A start signal sends them paddling together into the cold North Sea, turning the gray winter water into a moving field of red. The waves roll in as surfers push through freezing conditions, creating a striking contrast between festive costumes and harsh winter seas. The event transforms the coastline into a celebration of Christmas spirit and surf culture. Inspired by the original Surfing Santas in Cocoa Beach, Florida, launched in 2009, the tradition has spread worldwide. In The Hague, it stands as a vivid blend of community, sport, and seasonal celebration against the winter shore.